Okay, so the next thing they're asking us to do is to find an exact value for the sine of 15 degrees. So to find for the sine of 15 degrees, we're going to subtract. Now, the first things I think of are 45 and 30. I like to use smaller angles, but if you want to use larger angles, you can use different angles. So I'm going to do the sine of 45 minus 30. So when I do that, I'm going to have the sine of 45 cosine 30 minus the cosine of 45 times the sine of 30. Well, the sine of 45 is the square root of 3 over 2. The cosine of 30 is, I'm sorry, that's not correct. The cosine of 45 is the square root of 2 over 2. I'm sorry, the sine of 45 is the square root of 2 over 2. The cosine of 30 is the square root of 3 over 2. Minus the cosine of 45, which is the square root of 2 over 2, times the sine of 30, which is 1/2. So when you look at that, again, we multiply square roots, outside times outside, inside times inside. Square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 6 over 4. Minus the square root of 2 times 1 is just the square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And you can write that as one big fraction because they have the same denominator. Okay, so Miss Finney, what if it had been like our drill question, right? So, where it was in radians. Okay, we can do it in radians. It's not a problem. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do is try this one.